Okay guys, what's up? What's going on? I'm gonna tell you guys what's the reason you've been experiencing network issues with Battlefield 2042 and how you can actually fix them. So first of all, to fix these errors, you need to subscribe because I want you to subscribe. So first of all, you need to subscribe to fix these errors. Second of all, you need to actually fix your goddamn network. Okay, so make sure if you're on a PC, don't connect to a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the main reason you lag. Okay, if you have an Ethernet cable connected to your PC, it's way better. Okay, make sure you don't play it on Wi-Fi, and even on a console on PS5 on PS4, make sure you always put an Ethernet cable because the connection is going to be 100% accurate coming to your console. Because Wi-Fi, something might intercept the Wi-Fi. The router maybe is not has a low signal. Maybe the weather is infecting the Wi-Fi. I don't know, something. But in Ethernet cable, there's nothing that's gonna be interfering this connection between your router or your modem and your console or laptop or PC. Okay, so this is the first one, and that they said it on the Battlefield forums over here. If you see on the screen, I'm on the Battlefield forum, and there's a place where you can submit your technical issues and bug reports. So if you go on technical issues, you're gonna see a lot of stuff regarding connections, troubleshootings, and all that stuff. So I'd recommend you go ahead and check this link, and I'll leave in the description down below for you to check and read everything. But if you want to fix these errors, the connectivity error, this is what I recommend to do, of course, and get a better deal from your ISP, internet service provider. ISP, yeah. Make sure you get a better connection from them. Make sure you pay more also. You have to pay maybe more. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff happening right now on the game. Okay, and you see last reply an hour ago, 46 minutes ago. So a lot of people are actually complaining about issues regarding Battlefield 2042, but I think you can actually solve it out by reading everything and trying your best to, you know, solve it. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. It's been Battlefield 2042 videos here, and make sure to subscribe. And I'll be dropping a lot of videos coming very soon. And make sure to support the community on Telegram and TikTok and Instagram. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.